guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have this silver swag box for November. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So November's silver swag box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys saw my last silver swag unboxing, I told you guys that the company was doing a little bit of changes with influencers and they were going to start sending them quarterly. So I did this box 3 months ago. Now this will be my quarter, but they said everybody gets December. So we will get December. And then I believe my next rotation would be February or March, but I'm super excited to see what is going to be inside of this. I did, however, cut the tape. I thought since it was in this larger box, that it was like a mailer box. So I opened it and I saw tissue paper and I said, stop right there. That is the box. So I did cut the tape, like I said, but I didn't get inside anything else. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. And we must have a bigger item this time because it's in a larger box. But I do love that. It is nice and red and it says the November box. So nice and festive for this month. So let's cut the tape and let's see what's going to be in this November box. So there's a sneak peek to the presentation. Alrighty. So with this one, you'll get 2 cards. One of them will go over the products inside. I don't believe it gives you pricing. No, not everybody gives pricing. It gives you a little bit more information about the items in the box. And then there's a conversation card over here. So this month's theme is Grateful Gatherings, is what it looks like right there. And then on the back of this card will be some talking points. So even if you're at the doctor's appointment, you're waiting at the bus stop, you're at the park, you want to talk to your neighbor, your friend, or you don't have to talk to anybody, but it does give you some conversation starters if you would like. So they're always different based on the theme of the box. So this time it says, gathered around the table, stories are told, memories are created, and love is abundantly grown by unknown. How cool is that? So send love, stay connected, get talking. What are you most grateful for this year? What is the most memorable Thanksgiving meal you've ever had? If you could invite anyone, living or historical, to Thanksgiving dinner, who would it be and why? What is one dish or food item that you can't go without at Thanksgiving dinner? Share a funny or heartwarming holiday memory you have of your loved ones. So again, there are your talking points if you wanted to talk to somebody. So I will put this one here in front of me so we can get a little bit more of the information as we go through the products. So the first thing that I'm seeing, well, the only thing that I'm seeing sticking up is this right here. Ooh, it says it's 2022's award winner, red wine and rosemary gourmet snackables. Ooh, included it's crackers, cheese, and preserves. So it's not just the crackers. You get all of that in this little kit. Nice. Red wine and rosemary gourmet stackables. That sounds amazing, and they look like they're going to be amazing. This is by Crackerology, and this one here, it says it's an appetizer kit. This kit is the perfect shareable snack. Includes red wine and rosemary crackers, plus cheese and a fruit spread. That is awesome that it's all down inside of here. Let me show you, if in case because I'm curious to know what it looks like inside the box. So it does give you a little card on top, which tells you about all the different kits that they do have. That's awesome. And I guess if you want to buy more, you can definitely go and purchase more. So it comes with all of these crackers right here. It actually comes with like a wooden spoon where you can scoop it and spread it. That is so neat. It has white cheddar gourmet spread cheese. And then it does have red raspberry preserves right there. That is so neat. Have you ever seen a kit like this which comes with the preserves and the cheese and a spoon? I haven't. You normally have to buy everything separately. So I think that is so neat that it comes all in a little tiny appetizer kit. Definitely shareable size for sure. I mean, unless you want to eat it all yourself, you're more than welcome to. So there is item number 1, and I'm actually super excited about it. Ooh, there's sweet s'mores, lemon blueberry. That sounds like that would be amazing. Ready for confetti. That would be even a cool theme if you were doing like a birthday party. Then there's rosemary and sea salt. There's white wine and basil, and then jalapeno and chipotle. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna have to get some other flavors because that's probably going to be amazing. And I love that it's all in one kit. Okay, so let's keep on digging down and see what else we have in here. So next we have the Grateful Game. This is by C.R. Gibson. And this right here says, this game is super handy for your Thanksgiving table. What will you learn about your loved ones? Ooh, that's cool. So let's see what these are. I mean, obviously they're cards, but let's see what's on them. They're on like a nice thick card stock. And the backs of them, how cool. So the backs of them have like different designs. So there's different designs on the back. And then there's a saying on one side. So for example, this one says, who is your best friend and why? What are the qualities that make a good friend? What is one gift you have received that was especially meaningful to you? What is one challenge you have overcome this year? What was the best part of your day? What is the most beautiful place you have ever seen? If you could relive any day in history, which would you choose and why? So let's see, if you could go anywhere in the world for a week, where would it be? What is your favorite childhood memory? So this does give you like a whole bunch of stuff. What is your favorite family tradition? Family traditions. What is the best advice you have ever received? There are so many other cards here. I only went through a few of them, but that is really neat, especially like it says, sit down at the table when you're having like Thanksgiving dinner or any type of like a family gathering. You can all sit around and learn a little bit more about each other. I think that is really neat. So there is that, the Grateful Game. That is so cool, and you can bust it out any time of the year. Next up, we have is something down in this little bubble wrap. They look like cigars. Oh, they're not cigars. It is bath salts. Look at how cool. Those are very pretty though. That set is beautiful. I personally don't take baths, but a great thing is you can actually either gift this to somebody, use for stocking stuffers, or you can do like what I do is use them as a foot soak. So I have like a little container. I can put my foot soak in there, and instead of me actually getting into the bathtub, I can use it as a foot soak. So you have options if you do not take a bath, but if you do take a bath, you'll have all of these bath salts to actually relax in and enjoy. So it says there's rose and petals in one of them, lavender and rose in another, citrus and rose, eucalyptus and rose, green tea and rose, and chamomile and rose. And since there's a whole lot of rose and you heard that lavender, I will definitely gift this to one of you guys. I will put it in my future giveaway pile so one of you guys can actually enjoy it. But that is really nice. You get all of those bath salts, and they look, like I said, it's a really nice presentation all in this one kit, and they look like they are all in glass little vials. You could probably use those, reuse them for anything afterwards too, because it just has a cork on the top. So that is really cool. Let's see what this says for this kit. Measurable difference. That must be who they are by. It says bath salt set. Treat yourself with a relaxing rose scented bath. There are 6 bath salts in this set, and they are also great for gifting. See, so you can also gift it, use it as a gift idea if you're not into bath, or use it like as a foot soak or another purpose for them. But that is really neat, and I like that set. It looks really, really nice too. Oh, now I see, ooh, this just slid. This just slid. Oh my goodness. Hold on. This just slid right off. It looked really cute. Like it had this little bow around it, and there's like a little, is that a cheese spreader? Like a knife? Oh my gosh, I think that is. Look at how cute. So this was, let me show you how it looked before it came off. Okay, so it came like this. So you had the tool, you have the little cheese spreader, and then there was this card as well. Oh my gosh, is this like a cutting board or something? It has like these big old feet and everything. Okay, so this, let me find it. It is a charcuterie board. India Handcrafts Incorporated charcuterie board. This high quality wooden charcuterie board is perfect for your holiday appetizers. So yeah, you can use this as, you know, you can put things on it, use it as a stand, you can use it as a charcuterie board. I'm sure you could probably use it even as a cutting board if you so chose to, but that is really neat. And I like the feet. I have never seen a charcuterie board that had feet like that. So this is definitely unique. Even if you set this like in the middle of your table and you put like your napkins, salt and pepper, that kind of thing, you could always reuse this for different reasons. And I really like those big old feet. Look at how big they are. And they're nice and thick and round. That is really nice. So after I washed this from using it for the crackers, I noticed, okay, I love the feet already, but look at it, even has like non-slip little felt on them as well. Like the attention to detail is spot on. So when I sat it on the counter after it was all nice and dry, I looked and I was like, you know what? I think this will look so much better than this one here. For one, when I go to turn this, it does fall over, and I don't actually turn it, but if anybody does actually touch it or move it, my egg falls, things fall. I don't need it to turn. I just thought it looked nice to have it up off the counter, but this one's going to give it more height. It's a darker wood. It's a little bit smaller. I think it's going to look so much better. So let's swap this out. And yeah, my man decided to say hi with his little finger appearance, and yet once again. So let's go ahead and clean everything and get this all changed out. And this is the final outcome. I think it looks so much better. For one, again, it's a darker wood. It's a lot higher. I love them feet. And my little placemats here can still slide right underneath it, just like the other one. So I'm super, super excited about it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And of course, I have my little sidekick over here. Hi, baby. She was hanging out with me as well. So I definitely am super, super impressed. I'm so glad that I thought of this in replacing the other one because this looks so much better. Yes. Not to mention, look at this stability. I can move this, groove this, do anything, and my egg is not moving whatsoever. So this right here says cranberry baked brie. Grateful gatherings. What you will need: a whole of brie cheese, puff pastry dough, cranberry sauce or jam, chopped pecans or walnuts is optional, and 1 large egg beaten. And then it tells you building a charcuterie board. There are 4 basic components of a charcuterie board. There's cheese. Isn't that the star of the show? Pick a few types based on the size of your board. Try to balance harder aged cheese with soft, creamy ones. There's meats. There are so many kinds to choose from. Experiment with fun ways to fold each piece for an eye-catching display. Carbs. Crackers, bread, and veggies can make for some delicious combinations and balance out the richer parts of the board. And then like there's even some examples right there. So that is really neat. It tells you how to build your board. It even gives you a recipe. There's this whole charcuterie board you can use. And then this cute little knife. Let me pull this off to show you this as well. Look, it has a straight knife that you can use to spread your cheeses on there. That is really, really nice, you guys. So on here, it does talk about this cheese spreader. It says India Handcrafts Incorporated, the same that made the actual charcuterie board. Pair your charcuterie with this adorable spreading knife. Oh my gosh, I love that. And that was so cute how it was all wrapped up together like that with the tool and everything. I think that was really, really cute. The presentation on that was really pretty. Okay, so there is 1 item left in here, you guys, and that is right here. It looks like we have some type of a tea towel. So the tag says cozy. Oh, it's a pumpkin. You see the pumpkin? Because it's all white, but then it just has this little top part for the top of the pumpkin. So it was kind of hard to see what it was at first, but that is definitely a pumpkin. How cute. So you can definitely even use this for this month because this month is Thanksgiving at the end. Or you can have this when you have your family over, or take this with you when you do Thanksgiving. Have a nice little tea towel that is so festive for the occasion. So for this one, it says Audrey's Pumpkin Tea Towel. Make sure your kitchen is fall ready with this cute but subtle pumpkin decor. Literally on the first, I took all my fall out. I started my morning with my peppermint mocha creamer in my coffee and took all of my fall stuff down. I did put a little bit of Christmas up like in my kitchen and my wreath on my door, that kind of thing, but I did not like put my whole tree and all of that up yet, but I did start. So I don't have fall in my house anymore, but this is super cute to take, like I said, for Thanksgiving or to decorate for this entire month. So there is that tea towel. So that was everything for this month's box, you guys. You have this tea towel. You have your game that you can gather around friends and family and learn some stuff about them. You have this really cool kit, which you can use with your charcuterie board. You do have this charcuterie board with these big old feet. You have a recipe card and you have a cheese spreader, which I think that's super cute. And then you have this whole set of bath salts that you can get all relaxed and rejuvenated while you're in the bath, or use them again as a gift or a foot soak or something like that. So that is everything for the November box. What do you think of the theme? What do you think of all of the items that they put in there? I'm super, super impressed with that charcuterie board, and I cannot wait to try those crackers that comes with the spread and the cheese. Like, that is definitely super, super unique. But let me know what you think down below. If you want a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty40, and that will get you 40% off your very first box if you do month-to-month plan, and you receive a free gift. So that's not all, not just 40% off, you get a free gift as well. So send love, stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun, you'll want one for yourself. So yes, you can definitely gift this box to yourself to spoil yourself, or to another. That's just a great thing. There's so many different items inside. I love every single month there's a new theme and they go around that entire theme. So this box is always so exciting for me to see everything that's inside. If you do a month-to-month plan, it's $59.99. You get free US shipping, and sometimes these boxes are really, really heavy based on what's inside. So you don't have to worry about shipping. It's already covered in that price. Plus, signing up to the month-to-month box, you will receive exclusive member-only marketplace discounts to shop your favorite items. Like, you can shop their shop individually. So you do get an exclusive discount to shop every month while you are a member. If you do a 6-month plan, it is also $59.99. You still get that free shipping, but you get a free welcome box on top of that. That's a $65 value, plus you get the discounts, the monthly discounts as well. If you do a 12-month plan, it'll bring your box price down to $57.99. You get the free US shipping, you receive that free welcome box, and you get a free cooler tote. That is a $95 value, plus the exclusive monthly discounts, you get that as well. So there are your different plans. You can do just the month-to-month, you can do a 6-month or the 12-month to save money and get those 2 extra free gifts. So you do have options. I will have them all listed down below if you would like to go to their site, see what they're all about. And again, SheCrafty40 will get you 40% off your very first box. So that is awesome. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the items that they put in there? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.